Film. So how do I do the launch control?
So
do I just
no, in
Sport
there,
plus?
yeah, Sport Plus.
hammer the brake
Please
with my
right and
then just
accelerate.
punch it?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Holy shit! Oh my god!
How do you feel?
Whoa! Honestly, that's better than sex. God damn!
Great, isn't it?
Wow.
What's going on, everybody? How you doing? How you doing on this fantastic January 15th? It is, if you've been following me on Instagram, it is my birthday today. Hence the suit, the glass of Merlot, and hopefully YouTube doesn't give me crap for taking a drink during a video. Don't really know if that's allowed, but hey, you know what? It's my day. I'll do whatever I want. Hey, what a fantastic day. What a fantastic day. You probably saw a clip of the car earlier. No, I'm not crazy. I didn't get that yet. Okay, but I had to go out, test drive it, check it out, see what it's all about. The GTS actually pleasantly surprised me. Insane. It was, yeah, that was definitely something else. So, what do you think? Is it time to get rid of the Mazda? We'll see. We'll see. But hey, let's chat. Hey, if you're brand new, excuse me, let me introduce myself. Mecca. Over the last year and a bit, I've been on this journey towards a passive income lifestyle. On Mondays, I typically do my weekly updates, and that's where we're at today. It's Monday, it's January 15th, and it's funny, I just watched this exact update 1 year ago. I did it Sunday, January 15th, and I did my weekly update, and I was telling my wife, it'd be so cool to kind of watch what was that update about? What did I talk about then? What was the type of person I was back then? A whole year from now. That's what's so cool about this whole YouTube thing. You document your life. You can go back, you can check it, and I think that's so cool. And it was neat. I was talking about just hooking up with D1 for the very first time. D1, he's my current mentor. I've been working with him for, just about a year now. And he's brought so much success. Having a mentor, I'm a full believer. If you don't have a mentor, you're not growing as fast as you are. You're not making as much money as you can. You're not scaling your business as fast as you could be. Having a mentor, whether it's $150, $500, $1,000 a month, whatever the cost is, it's the fastest way to grow your business, period. And everybody needs one. Everybody should have one. If you don't, you're hurting your business more than you'll ever realize. More than you'll ever realize. When I signed up with D1 last year, it was $1,000 for a few weeks to work with him. $1,000. I think his rates have gone quite a bit higher. Whatever he charges is worth it. But it was $1,000, and I literally, my paycheck I think was $1,300. I took $1,000 of it and gave it to him. Couldn't even publish another book that month, but it was so worth it because I've made tens of thousands of dollars because of what he taught me. And I've been able to help teach that on to students and the people that I mentor and coach and work. So it's just been phenomenal. But let's quickly talk about the business, and then we'll kind of see where this goes. But basically I'm ramping up some Kindle stuff. One of the main things I want to do between now and April is increase my Kindle income to about $7,000 a month. Currently it's about $3,200 or so, fluctuates somewhere around the $3,000 mark. And I got to find a different name. This is not Kindle, right? It's Ingram Spark, it's Drafted Digital, it's so many other publishers, not just Amazon, but they all kind of, tied together. So, but the publishing income's around $3,000. I'm looking at scaling it to 7 by April, but only working another 1 to 2 hours a month on it. I publishing books, not my forte. I don't enjoy it. I enjoy the paycheck from it. Having said that, I do love the brand that I've built with my books. I do love that part, but the whole process of it, it's so easy. it's so Mickey Mouse that, well, that I have a manager, Kindle manager, who literally does the entire process for me. He does every part of Kindle that you're doing right now. He handles it. I just check in with him, and he just sends me the, you know, like it was like, hey, we need emails. I need email sequences built out to end up promoting this product on ClickBank. A couple days later, he's like, check your drive folder. All the emails say, I was reading them, like, damn, I want to buy it. You know, so yeah. So this is one of the things that where I really think you should be growing your Kindle business. It's not designed to be something that you work on. It's designed to create a passive income for yourself, and then you pass it on, and you have somebody run it for you. And I look at him as more of a business partner, you know, than an assistant. And yeah, just really, really cool. Really cool. So what else has been going on? I have one more spot open for mentoring myself. If you're looking at working with me one-on-one, I only have one more spot open for January. I keep very, very limited because I like to make sure the people that I work with one-on-one, they get my utmost undivided attention, because it's really, I saw what D1 did for me, and you know, now I'm in a position, thank God, to be able to return the favor and give back to others. So one more spot. Don't know if I'll take anyone on for February. We'll see. But group mentoring is all good though. But that's restricted to Kindle publishers, because group mentoring is based around my self-publishing blueprint. But that's cool. Sorry, this is going to be a scattered thing because I have a lot of thoughts going on. But another really cool thing that I was talking about in my previous blog, and if I haven't already, I'll link it up so you can check it out. You can check it out after, I guess, this one. But it was complaining about the 9-to-5 grind still. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I left my job last spring, I believe it was. And I work solely on my computer now. I'm living down here in Mexico. All right, that's why you can see, you know, so you can't see the ocean from here, but down here in Mexico. We've been down here, what, 2 years? 2 years, and it's all thanks to this digital lifestyle that we've been able to create for ourselves. But seeing how much I've changed and grown in the last year is, I think, what's the word? Not confidence building or inspiring, if that makes sense, but it reconfirms to me, and hopefully to all of you, that anything is possible. This morning when I was at IHOP having my birthday breakfast, one of the things I was doing was reflecting back on 2017 and the major lessons that I learned, and I'll do a separate video on this. But one of them was that you can accomplish so much in a year. So many people underestimate what they can accomplish in a year. You know, I completely changed my family's life within 12 months. I went from working a job I didn't like to working for myself, creating a full-time 5-figure business online. It all started from these damn little Kindle books. But, you know, I've created a 5-figure a month business online, you know, and multiple sources of income. That was my number one takeaway from last year. But I'll do another, I'm going to do another video this week on that, on my takeaways from last year. But so much you can get accomplished this year in 2018. So much. I know many of you, you're either Kindle publishers, or some of you got YouTube channels growing and things like that. And I've talked about, I'm going to be diversifying a lot more this year on my channel. I will still be giving the Kindle videos, probably just restricting them to a day or two a week, because really the core content, so much of the videos I did last year are still relevant. But then that's what the course is for, right? If you're a serious Kindle publisher, you're just going to sign up for my self-publishing blueprint. You're going to get, you know, group coaching or one-on-one coaching if you want. But I'm really looking at diversifying and helping others accomplish, 3 things that they want to get in life here. And it's just build freedom for themselves so that you can go out on your birthday. You can do whatever the hell you want on your birthday. You don't have to worry about your boss. You don't have to worry about this or that or whatever. You can just go out and enjoy yourself. Not just your birthday, any day of the week. That's the freedom I have to an extent, because the number 2 thing is getting your income right? Getting your finances taken care of. Making sure that your money's taken care of. Money's not an issue. That's the number 2 thing that I'm looking at helping people accomplish this year. And the 3rd thing is, let's go back to that Porsche.
Right. All right. Right. Excellent.
Wow.
It's a nice taste, isn't it?
Wow. That is just fucking insane.
The ultimate lifestyle. Whether you're a car person or not, just helping people design that ultimate lifestyle for them. Whether that'll be different for everybody, but those are the 3 things I really want to help people accomplish this year. And you're going to hear more and more of that over the next little bit, and I'll be doing it different ways. But I'm stoked for this new year of, this new year of being on the planet for another year. And yeah, man. Shit, 2018 is going to be all good. I'm excited. So anyways, I got to start cooking dinner for the wife and the baby. Yeah, I cook dinner. I like to take care of the family at night on my birthday. Every day, but I like to cook on my birthday because it's just one of the things I like to do. So I'm going to put on some nice chilling music, get in the kitchen, cook up one hell of a meal, and we'll probably start replying to some of these comments that have been blowing up on the last video I did on YouTube. So I've been seeing those. So if I haven't got to you yet, don't worry, I will. And oh shit, here's another reason we celebrating. We having a baby boy. Cake was blue. The cake was blue, like that sky. Baby boy coming at you. Mecca 2.0, we'll see. Coming at you June, July. So excited. Let's make 2018 your year to shine. Peace.